We all know the significance of an image for the success of a website. In these websites, you can see lots of images from the home page to each of its pages, especially in the gallery. We can find a very nice image. Now, what if you want to edit them or add pictures or delete some? In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to exactly do that. So let's start on how to edit the slideshow in your home page. Let's just use the title Home Slider. So the first step is always go to your dashboard. To do that, let's have your link and then just add /wp-admin. This will always direct you to your dashboard. And you can see here on the left menu, let's going to click Soliloquy. This is a plugin for your slideshow. So just click this. Click edit and appears the 7 images that you could see in the home slider page. If you want to delete, just click this red button on the upper left. If you want to add more, then this one is the right button to click. As you do so, this is what it's going to display. So you can add directly from your computer and or from a URL. Just remember that the maximum upload is only up to 2 MB. Another thing to remember is the slider size or the image scale. You always want your images to have the same size to achieve that balance, right? So if you want to add more image, remember to add this an image that has the same size with the others. Here under the soliloquy settings, you can also set the slider transition, slider speeds, animation duration, and the option to use loading icon. Always click update once you're done updating. All the updates will then be reflected automatically to your homepage slideshow. Okay, so I guess we're done here in how to update the slideshow. If you want to edit more, then just repeat the process and click again the soliloquy setting. Okay, so now we go to how to update the pages in your website. So let's choose a page. Let's try to update the Our Story page. Now we can go back to the dashboard by clicking /wp after your website link, or we could also just simply click edit page link here above once we have already logged in. So as we do so, this will then appear. Okay, so on the first picture above, it's important to learn its image scale. So the size is 700 by 290 pixels, while the pictures below has the size of 72 by 70 pixels. Because if you want to replace this picture, for example, then you want to have the same size with the others. Okay, so if you want to delete this, you can just simply click this circle red button at the upper left. If you want to edit, perhaps change its size, its alignment, you can click that button and this will then appear where you could resize, change alignment, title, alternative text, caption, and link URL. Always click update. Okay, and then here on the right, you could also set the featured image. So as you click that, you will then be directed to the gallery or to the media library. And so you could choose an image here. As you click one of them, on the right, you could see the sizes of the image. So here, it has the same size with the ones that we have. It's 700 by 290 pixels. So you can set this as a featured image. This will then appear, as you do so, this will then appear on top. So let's try. Set featured image. Okay. And then because we don't want to have two pictures on top, let's try to delete this. Okay. Now, because we're done editing, let's click update. Then preview changes or click view page to see if we are successful. Wait for it to load. Okay, and yes, we are indeed successful. Good job to us, and you're now ready to edit more pictures on each pages. Alright, so now we're ready to learn how to edit the images under gallery. Under gallery, it's very unique because we set a photo mosaic. If you want this to perhaps have more 4 columns, or maybe just have 2 columns, or add more pictures, then we go back to the dashboard page. Or again, as mentioned a while ago, we could just simply click this edit page. Okay. Once we do that, the only thing we could see is this code. Even if we are going to click the text tab on the upper right, it still has the same code. Okay, so what we do first is to change photo mosaic to gallery. Now we do that under text. We do that here. So we changed it into gallery. Now, once we click visual, this will then appear. So remember a while ago, if you want to adjust an image, just click the image, and we do that here. And then if you want to delete, then just click this red button here. If you want to edit, then click this first button here. So the same process we use, and then because we want to edit this time, just click edit, and then we are going to see this. If you want to change its column, adjust it into 4, we can do that by clicking this. And if you want to add more pictures, then click add to gallery. You could either upload more files or just choose from an existing file. So once you have chosen one, then click add to gallery. Okay, now After we have done the edit, go back to text and change that back to photo mosaic. Then click update. The changes will then automatically be reflected on the gallery page. So as we go there, now you can see the changes, and at this time you already know how to adjust your slideshow, the images under your pages, as well as your gallery. I could say that you're ready to go. Good luck!